What up? So D back with another unboxing. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing on this because I thought it was pretty cool. Just wanted to share with y'all. So basically, this thing right here allows the outlet to be flat and slim, and also it has the extension cord here. Now for me, this is going to work perfectly because the couch is right here, and pushes against the couch. And the way I had to set it up before is I had to put it up here and leave a little gap because this runs towards my cameras in the house. So I basically wanted to make sure, and it was the plug right here. It was slim profile. So, and the original plug is right there, again, pushing against the couch. So to make something a little more better, I got this right here. So we're gonna check it out, see how it works, see how it plugs in. So, looks pretty dope. It's as slim as a pencil. Specs right there.
I remember I was here the whole time and I won.
So let me get this thing on open. One hand on him. 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 Mind the kids in the background, they're wilding out. So let me see. In the packaging, came with look like some sticky tabs. I guess to stick whatever you're gonna stick on the wall. It comes with the device itself, plugged into itself. So unplug that, boom. Then we have a little basic explanation here, inside use, blah, 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 blah. All right, and then we have this here. So you can see the design. All the guts are in this frame right here. And then there's like an extension cord coming out. So it's a simple design for extension cord. And that's pretty dope though, how they masked it with the cover over. So that's dope. Like, that was very intuitive. And for me, I've seen these before, but I've never seen a design like this. So, that's why for me, it's like, oh, well. And I thought I'll, share it with y'all so y'all can see it too. One hand on them. One hand on them. One hand on them. All right. So plug this thing on in. All right, so covers the whole outlet. This drips out now. Now they have different designs. They have one with a 2, and then they have this one, which is the one with the 3. And this is the one I wanted. So now I'm gonna unplug this.
Wow, this guy needs help.
And I could just plug it straight into here.
Because he died too.
And plug at the top one. It's freaking dusty. Hasn't been over here in a while.
And I died.
Now I could take this the adhesive part, put it on here, I believe, to stick it to the wall or something. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get rid of this one, put this one back in my room. It's my backup. And then I'm all this extra wire and stuff. I didn't want to throw these wires away, or cut them because Verizon left them. So, but whatever. And then I got these things here for the kids, not to put anything in there. But now with this cover on, I don't have to worry about that either. So that's pretty dope. All right, let's start this back up. Just trying to find a Wi-Fi right now. Now, if you don't know what this is, the Wemo. This is the Wi-Fi controller. For the socket, so you can control the plug, turn it on and off. Solid white light. It's on, it's connected. And then now everything's there, connected. And then I can push the couch in. Wow. So now couch is pushed in. I don't have to worry about No shortages, no arcing, anything like that.
Yes.
And there's an extra plug there for my kids to plug in stuff. So now they can plug in their phone with the extra 2 ports. And I don't have to worry about them unplugging anything else. But that's about it. Just wanted to show you that. Simple, easy, fun. Know what I mean? The sleek socket. Know what I mean? Just a quick checkout. All right, man. I'm out of here. I'll holler at y'all later. Easy.